In this video, I'm going to show you how to join a community on Roblox on your mobile phone. So open up the Roblox application, and here we are on the home screen. Click on More at the bottom left corner of your screen and click on Communities. You're going to see a list of communities arranged in different categories. You also have a search bar here to search for a community you want to join. So when you identify the community you like to join, just click on it. And then here you're going to see a button, join this community. Click on it. You can see successfully joined the community. So now we are on this Blue Lock Rivals unofficial fans community, and here we have the about info, and here we have the various events of the community.